Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to contact the customer service in the Walkie-talkie application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the right. And then click on the contact our support button at the help and support section. And here you can see that they will be available on Monday, so the soonest time that you will get a reply is Monday, but just click on the send us a message button. And as you can see, you can even choose the language that you want to communicate, and here start a conversation and just type your question and hit the send button, and they will give you a reply as soon as possible. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.